to Sci-Fi Tech. In this video, I want to do a teardown of this webcam. I want to see how it works, and I want to see if there's any parts worth salvaging. Let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is pull off this base. And there, the base came off, and I kind of broke it, but that's okay. Next, what I want to do is do what I always do: see a screw, take a screw, see a screw, take a screw, and remove all the screws that I can find. And now open it up. And there, it opens up just like this. And as you can see, it's a very simple, basic circuit. Interesting how there's a lot of empty space inside. I guess it's just for the design and for the looks, and probably for the balance. Okay, so now let's go a little deeper. I'm going to go and pull off the sides and pull out the camera. And as you can see, it's just a very simple basic circuit. Basic webcam circuit. Bunch of interesting surface mount components, some of which could be useful. Now let's go ahead and remove these screws, which will then remove the lens of the camera. And now carefully pop the camera off because it's glued down. And of course, as expected, there's an IR cut filter, which, you know what I'm going to end up doing with this project is I'm going to end up using this camera in the future and make another video where it's going to be a full spectrum camera by simply removing this IR cut filter. So I'm just simply going to put the lens back in place. As for now, I'm going to leave the components on the board so that way I can rebuild this camera and demonstrate this camera being a full spectrum camera in the next video. Make sure you subscribe and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for that. And there you have it. Now you know what's inside of a basic webcam, how it works, and what kind of components that are potentially salvageable. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Sci-Fi Tech videos. To the next tech, goodbye.